Morgan spends a total of $76.48 on groceries. He hands the store clerk a $100 bill. How much money should he get back? This is a subtraction problem. The amount that he should get back is the difference between what he paid and what the total cost of the items are. Since he paid more than the total cost, he should get money back. So we're going to take 100 and we're going to subtract it by $76.48. Now 100 is the same as 100.00. So how can we subtract these two numbers? Well, we need to borrow. We're going to borrow a 1 from 0. So this will turn into 10. This will be 9. Since we can't really borrow 1 from 0, we need to borrow 1 from this. This will turn to 9. We need to borrow 1 from that. That will turn to 9. And this will basically be 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. So the answer is $23.52. Of course, you can take a calculator and subtract those two numbers. But whenever you get a situation like this, where you have multiple zeros, since you can't really borrow 1 from 0, you have to borrow from the next. And this is going to continue until you get a number. And borrowing a 1 from a 1 is basically a 0. But you can confirm that the answer is correct. If you add 76.48 with 23.52, you're going to get 100. But this is how much he should get back from the store clerk.